Ciao a tutti da Luca and
Marina. Hi guys!
welcome back to channel Dolce Vita. Today, first of all, we want to thank you for watching the Italian in 30 days lessons on our YouTube channel. We received a lot of feedback. We were really overwhelmed.
Thank you so much, guys.
So many of you wrote fantastic things, how easy it is to learn with us. And yes, something that is missing, little thing that you guys mentioned was a workbook to practice with. Because you want to revise the material for each lesson.
Yeah.
And you want to do exercises.
We've been working a lot on this workbook.
You see, it's very beautiful, thanks to Marina, actually. And yeah, basically you have all the material, it's organized, you have vocabulary, you have examples, and then exercises. Different types of exercises. You can conjugate, you can translate, and so on. But the best part...
for every lesson, there is an exercise. There's
Yes.
a lesson in the workbook and exercises.
You can pause it during the lesson, or you can just watch the whole lesson and then do everything, revise everything and practice. And the best part is that you have what?
Answers,
You
of
have
course.
answers.
So you cannot make it wrong. You can always check yourself.
It's impossible to get it wrong, guys. So you're gonna have fun with this. We promise you. And
Yeah.
something else, yes?
I just wanted to tell you that you can work with a workbook from your phone. See, this is a cover. You can download it on your computer, and you can print it and write exercises on the paper.
Some people like to print it out, and it's more fun like this.
Yeah.
So the workbook is going to be available at a price of €1 per lesson, which makes it €30 since there are 30 lessons.
Which is a fair price.
Yes, but today, we have one more surprise. And the surprise is that this is going to be launched at a much lower price. It's going to be $9.90, so less than 2 beers.
Just for a few days.
Yes, just for a few days you'll find it available at this price, and we're pretty sure that you're going to love it. To get the workbook, all you have to do is to
click
on the link below in the description. It's as easy as it gets.
And then enjoy Italian.
Enjoy learning with us, okay, with Luca and Marina. Guys, we'll see you again on this channel very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Buona giornata. Ciao.